to get everything out.
You got a very thick product here, so we held back some almond milk to be able to funnel that product down, right?
We did a 2-to-1.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, now we want to get everything in there. And you can do this when the machine's off, but don't ever do this when the machine is on. Spatula flavored gelato isn't there. Now,
I have a customer who, after I got done training him, did that.
Yeah, I know.
And they lost a spatula. They actually have the spatula on the wall above the machine with a little sign that says, "Do not put the spatula in the machine when the machine's running." They have the broken handle.
All right, what we're going to do is turn this on. You can see the simplicity of the product, okay? And what we're going to do at Sentry's open house, again, which is the first weekend in March every year, we're going to be doing this. We're going to be doing a demonstration on this particular product over here to show the customer how simple it is to add another product, this particular product, to their showcase.
Yeah, vegan used to be a buzz term. Used to be a very vocal minority that wanted that product. And as such, the products that were vegan weren't as good. The market has changed. Not only are the vegan products wonderful in taste, but the market who wants vegan, wants gluten-free, wants organic, are growing immensely. Cannot be ignored anymore. You really have to get on board to grow your customer base and therefore grow sales. As Dennis mentioned, we're doing some stuff at our open house. Also, throughout the course of the year, we have kind of satellite seminars where we teach people how to make gelato, how to make Italian ice, how to make ice cream, how to improve a lot of their soft serve sales, their milkshake sales. So anything you need, give us a call, check out our videos, check out our blogs. A lot of useful content here to help your business.
And you know, I can't speak for anyone here at Sentry, I can only speak for myself. If anybody, any veteran, wants to be in the frozen dessert business, I do a special deal for veterans, okay? I am a veteran, the United States Marine Corps. I love this country with a passion, and I'll do anything I can to help our vets. So if there's any vets out there that want to be part of the business, give me a call. I'll be happy to help you in any way I can. Thank you.